Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Install the VPN app and confirm your account so you avoid interruptions. Next, grant necessary permissions. The app needs network and sometimes location access to function properly. Choose a server region that matches your goal, pick nearby for speed, or select a specific country to access region-lock services. Once done, tap Connect and watch the app negotiate encryption. This establishes a private tunnel, so your real IP is hidden, and traffic is routed through the chosen location. Now you dive into configuration to balance speed and security. First, try different protocols: WireGuard for fast, modern performance, or OpenVPN for wider compatibility, because protocol choice changes latency and resilience. Then enable the kill switch and DNS leak protection so traffic stops if the tunnel drops. This prevents IP leaks. Also set AutoConnect for untrusted Wi-Fi to avoid manual steps. Once configured, run quick latency and throughput tests and switch servers as needed to find the best combination for your use. Finish by verifying your apparent location with an IP check and then access the service you needed. This confirms success. If content remains blocked, clear browser caches and cookies, then try a different server or enable obfuscation features to bypass deep packet inspection. If connections fail repeatedly, collect connection logs, restart your device, and contact VPN support. Provide the logs for faster diagnosis. Finally, keep the VPN app and OS updated to ensure compatibility and security patches are applied.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.